front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section right away. Now to activate it, use gray switcher at the top right corner, and then wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to, and wait for the pop-up. Now you can click on this icon here if you want to enable or disable allow access to your contacts and call history, and then select pair. Now you need to wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or in case of trying to connect to another tablet or to a smartphone, accept it manually on the second device. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage connection to any device, use gear icon next to it, and check out all of those options, including forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!